He out there in the rain.
He's cutting down
I
limbs.
know. I'm like, that's crazy.
That
But
ain't
he
crazy.
way up there though. That's a.
He got that belt on, climb back
I know.
down.
If something happened,
If he did it, then he's professional.
I know that. But I'm just saying. God, dog.
Probably a weekend job. He works for probably a tree company.
If he
This is a weekend job he doing.
if he fall from there, boy.
Stop saying if he fall from there.
Yes, ma'am.
What the heck's in the man?
Hexing.
What is he gonna do? He gonna cut some more limbs or he gonna come down? Like he going up.
There must be somebody down there doing that.
They got to cut the limbs once they fall.
Yeah, God, dog.
Tomorrow would have been a better day.
Yeah,
Tomorrow no rain,
yeah,
it'll be cloudy. But maybe he got something to do tomorrow. Or maybe the guy like me, he looking at these trees and they just swinging in the wind.
That's high.
See?
Okay, yeah, I see that down there. Hold on, let me get my